Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts and art aficionados. Have you heard whispers of artificial intelligence creating stunning works of art? No, it's not science fiction, it's our reality today. We're diving headfirst into the captivating world of Midjourney, an AI program that's changing the way we think about art and creation. So, what exactly is Midjourney, you ask? In a nutshell, it's an AI program that transforms your words into breathtaking images. You type in what you envision, and Midjourney brings it to life. It's like having a personal digital artist at your beck and call, ready to translate your wildest imaginations into stunning visuals. Now, you might be thinking, Soto, sounds cool, but I'm no artist. Can I really use this? Absolutely. That's the beauty of Midjourney. It's designed for everyone, regardless of your artistic background. If you can type, you can create with Midjourney. Think of it like this. Midjourney is your creative partner, the paintbrush to your imagination. We'll walk you through the entire process from setting up your account to mastering the art of crafting effective prompts that yield jaw-dropping results. Midjourney isn't just about creating pretty pictures. It's about pushing the boundaries of your imagination, exploring new artistic avenues, and expressing yourself in ways you never thought possible. It's about having fun experimenting and letting your creativity run wild. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting adventure? Are you ready to unleash your inner artist and witness the magic of AI-powered creation? I know I am. By the end of this guide, you'll be well on your way to becoming a Midjourney pro, confidently generating stunning images that will impress your friends and family, and maybe even yourself. All right, ready to roll up our sleeves and get this AI art party started? First things first, we need to get you set up on Discord. Discord is simply a platform where communities connect, and it's where all the Midjourney magic happens. To join the fun, head over to the Discord website or open your Discord app if you're already a Discord aficionado. Once you're in, click on the plus icon, usually found on the left side of your screen. This will open up a menu where you can either create a server or join a server. Head over to the Midjourney website and you'll find a handy Join the Beta button. Click on that and it'll redirect you back to Discord with an invitation to the Midjourney server. Accept the invitation and boom, you're officially part of the Midjourney community. Welcome to the Midjourney server. Take a moment to soak in the vibrant atmosphere. Look for channels with names like Newbies, General, or any channel with Newbie in the title. These channels are specifically designed for newcomers like yourself. Now here's a pro tip before you jump in head first. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the server rules, usually found in a pinned message or a dedicated rules channel. Now that you're settled into the Midjourney server, let's talk about the heart of the action, the Midjourney bot. Think of the Midjourney bot as your personal AI art assistant, always ready to transform your text prompts into stunning visuals. To interact with the bot, simply type /imagine in the message bar, followed by your desired prompt. For example, if you want to see a majestic lion in a cyberpunk city, your prompt could be /imagine majestic lion in a cyberpunk city. Hit enter and watch in awe as the Midjourney bot works its magic, generating 4 unique image variations based on your prompt. While Midjourney offers a free trial to get you started, you'll need to choose a subscription plan to unlock its full potential and continue your AI art journey. Midjourney offers different subscription tiers, each with its own set of benefits and limitations. The basic plan is perfect for casual users who want to dip their toes into the world of AI art without breaking the bank. The standard plan provides a healthy balance of features and affordability. For the true AI art enthusiasts and professionals, the Pro plan offers unlimited generations, faster processing times, and exclusive features to take your creations to the next level. All right, now that you're all set up with your Midjourney account and familiar with the Discord server, let's dive into the heart of the action, the interface where you'll interact with the Midjourney bot and bring your artistic visions to life. Think of the Midjourney Discord server as your virtual art studio, a bustling hub where you can experiment, create, and connect with fellow AI art enthusiasts. Within the image generation channels, you'll interact with the Midjourney bot using simple text commands. The Midjourney bot is designed to understand natural language, so you can interact with it as if you were talking to a human artist. Well, almost. Just tell it what you want to see using descriptive words and phrases, and watch as it transforms your ideas into stunning visuals. Now, let's get our hands dirty and learn some essential Midjourney commands. The most basic and important command is /imagine. This command tells the bot to generate an image based on the prompt you provide. For instance, if you're yearning for a breathtaking sunset over a tranquil beach, your prompt could be /imagine a vibrant sunset over a serene beach with palm trees swaying in the gentle breeze. Hit enter, and within seconds, the Midjourney bot will work its magic, presenting you with 4 unique variations of your prompt, each with its own artistic flair. Once the Midjourney bot has presented you with 4 initial image variations, the real fun begins. You get to play the role of art director, choosing the image that resonates with you the most and refining it to perfection. Simply click on the corresponding U button below the image to upscale it. Upscaling increases the resolution and detail of the image, making it suitable for printing, sharing online, or even using as a base for further editing in your preferred image editing software. If you're feeling adventurous and want to explore different interpretations of your chosen image, click on the V button below the image to generate variations. All right, let's talk about the secret sauce of Midjourney crafting effective prompts. Think of your prompts as the instructions you give to your AI art assistant. The clearer and more specific your instructions, the better the results. Instead of just saying cat, try something like a fluffy Persian cat with piercing blue eyes sitting on a velvet cushion, bathed in warm sunlight, photorealistic style. The more descriptive words you use, the more precise and visually appealing your results will be. So, unleash your inner wordsmith and watch as your words transform into stunning visuals. Now let's delve into a powerful technique that allows you to fine-tune your Midjourney creations and exert greater control over the composition image weighting. To use image weighting, simply add a colon, followed by a number after a specific word or phrase in your prompt. The higher the number, the more emphasis Midjourney will place on that element in the generated image. For example, if your prompt is a majestic lion in a lush jungle and you want to emphasize the lion's presence, you could modify it to a majestic lion too in a lush jungle one. One of the amazing things about Midjourney is its versatility. You're not limited to a single aspect ratio or resolution. To specify the aspect ratio of your generated image, simply add the desired ratio at the end of your prompt using the AR parameter. For instance, if you want to create a stunning Instagram post, you could add R916 to your prompt. Similarly, if you're aiming for a widescreen wallpaper, you could use R169. Experiment with different aspect ratios and resolution settings to find the perfect combination for your project. Section 4. Troubleshooting and experimentation. The keys to mastery. As with any creative endeavor, there will be times when things don't go exactly as planned in Midjourney. You might encounter unexpected results, confusing errors, or simply feel stuck in a creative rut. Don't fret, it's all part of the learning process. The key to overcoming these challenges and ultimately mastering Midjourney is a combination of troubleshooting and relentless experimentation. First and foremost, remember that the Midjourney community is your biggest asset. If you're facing a technical issue or struggling to achieve a specific result, don't hesitate to reach out for help in the dedicated support channels. The Midjourney community is incredibly welcoming, supportive, and always willing to share tips, tricks, and workarounds. Secondly, embrace the spirit of experimentation. Don't be afraid to try new things, experiment with different prompts, and push the boundaries of what's possible with AI art. Sometimes, the most unexpected combinations can lead to the most breathtaking results. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to use Midjourney. It's all about exploring your creativity and discovering what works best for you. So embrace the journey, stay curious, and never stop experimenting. Brainstorming your vision. You've got the tools and you're itching to unleash your inner artist. Where do you start? It begins with a spark of inspiration. Let's brainstorm some epic concepts for your first Midjourney masterpiece. Close your eyes and let your mind wander. What captivating scenes or breathtaking landscapes come to mind? Don't censor yourself, let your imagination run wild. Imagine you could paint a picture with words. What would you create? Perhaps a mystical forest, sunlight filtering through ancient trees as mythical creatures peek out, or a cyberpunk city with neon lights and flying vehicles. The possibilities are limitless. Choose a concept that excites you and bring it to life with Midjourney's artistic prowess. Section 2, from idea to prompt, translating your vision into words. Transform your vision into a Midjourney prompt. Translate thoughts into AI language with descriptive words and details. Imagine a majestic dragon over a medieval castle. Add flair to your prompt. A colossal emerald-scaled dragon with fiery eyes soaring over a towering medieval castle. See how vivid the detailed prompt is. Specify size, color, and eyes. Describe the castle's location and art style. More details mean more precise results. Section 3, refining your masterpiece, upscaling and variations. Once you've crafted your prompt and set Midjourney into motion, get ready for the magic to unfold. Within seconds, you'll be greeted by 4 unique interpretations of your vision. Choose your favorite and refine it using Midjourney's upscaling and variation tools. Carefully examine each variation. Once you've made your choice, click on the U button to upscale it. Upscaling increases the resolution and detail of the image. Click on the V button to generate new variations. Don't be afraid to iterate and explore different possibilities. Section 4, sharing your creation with the world. Congratulations, you've done it. You've taken your first steps into the world of AI art and emerged victorious, a stunning Midjourney creation in hand. Now it's time to share your masterpiece with the world and bask in the well-deserved admiration of your fellow art enthusiasts. Head back to the Midjourney Discord server and proudly share your creation in the designated newbie channels. Don't be shy, everyone starts somewhere. And the Midjourney community is known for its supportive and encouraging atmosphere. You can also share your artwork on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or art-focused communities using hashtags like #Midjourney, #art, or #digitalart to connect with fellow artists and enthusiasts. Be sure to tag Midjourney's official accounts as well. Remember, creating art is a journey, not a destination. Every prompt, every upscale, every variation is a learning experience, a chance to hone your skills and push the boundaries of your creativity. Embracing the learning curve. It's okay to not be an expert yet. Remember, even the most seasoned AI artists were once beginners. Don't be discouraged if your initial creations don't match your vision. Think of it like learning a new instrument or language. It takes time, practice, and patience to master any new skill. Embrace the journey of experimentation and discovery. Celebrate your progress and remember, every step brings you closer to mastery. What matters most is exploring your creativity and having fun. As you delve deeper into Midjourney, you might encounter unexpected results or confusing errors. Don't worry, even experienced users face these challenges. Approach these hiccups with a problem-solving mindset and patience. Crafting effective prompts is crucial. Be specific and descriptive for better results. Experiment with different words and phrases. Break down prompts into smaller chunks for clarity. Understand and interpret error messages carefully. Even with the most powerful AI art tools at your fingertips, there will be times when the creative well runs dry. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Working with Midjourney requires a constant influx of fresh ideas and a spark of imagination to ignite those artistic flames. The good news is that inspiration is everywhere, waiting to be discovered. Immerse yourself in the world of art and design. Visit art museums, browse online galleries, flip through design magazines, and lose yourself in the breathtaking creations of other artists. And there you have it, folks. We've journeyed together through the fascinating world of Midjourney, from setting up your Discord server to crafting captivating prompts and even troubleshooting those occasional AI hiccups. Remember that tingling feeling you had when you first imagined transforming words into art? It's not magic, though it feels like it. It's Midjourney, and you're now equipped to wield its power. We've covered the basics, sure, but this is just the tip of the iceberg. Midjourney, like any powerful tool, reveals more of its depth the more you use it. Experiment with different prompt styles, dive deeper into parameters and settings, and don't be afraid to break the rules and see what happens. The beauty of AI art lies in its ability to constantly surprise you, to generate images you never even knew you were capable of imagining. This guide has given you the map, but the real adventure lies in exploring the uncharted territories of your own creativity. What stories will you tell? What worlds will you build? What emotions will you evoke with your art? The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. Remember, every masterpiece starts with a single step, or in this case, a single prompt. Don't get bogged down by the pursuit of perfection or compare your work to others. The beauty of art lies in its subjectivity and the unique perspective each artist brings to the canvas. Embrace your individuality, celebrate your progress, and never stop experimenting. And hey, while you're busy creating stunning AI masterpieces, don't forget to share your creations with the world. The Midjourney community is incredibly welcoming and supportive, always eager to see fresh perspectives and innovative uses of this amazing technology. So go forth and create. Unleash your inner artist, experiment with reckless abandon, and let Midjourney be your guide as you explore the boundless possibilities of AI-generated art. Until next time, keep those creative sparks flying, and remember, the only limit is your imagination. Happy creating.